Good morning and happy Friday, you guys. This is your last math lesson of the week, and today is just a practicing day. So yesterday, we started being robbers, okay? We started stealing from other columns in our subtraction so that we could actually do the subtraction. Today, I'm not gonna make you draw base 10 blocks unless you need to, okay? If that helps you, you are allowed to do that anytime you want to. But today we're just going to practice it. We're going to practice borrowing, although I like to call it stealing. And because we're going to be stealing today, I would like you to be a robber. Okay, so how can you be a robber? Well, you got to be kind of creepy and shifty. So if you have like a hoodie, you should like put your hoodie up over. If you have sunglasses, you should probably put your sunglasses on so like nobody knows who you are, so that you can be a really good robber. I'll be right back. That's better. All right, now that I'm ready to be a creepy robber with my sunglasses and my hood up, and I don't even think you know who I am anymore, I'm so well disguised. Now we are ready to do some subtraction, okay? All right, here we go. And today we're just gonna do two-digit numbers, okay? We're not gonna get into 3-digit. I just want you to get used to the stealing. All right, here's a question for us. Okay, I always start in the ones column. So I have 3 cupcakes, you want to take away 7. Is that possible? I want to hear from all of you at home going, impossible! Because you can't. If I have 3 and you want 7, I mean, you can't take 7 away from me. I don't have 7. So we need to go rob next door. Remember, you're like a really cool thief who like climbs on rooftops. You're like Spider-Man monkey person. It's awesome. But that means you can only go next door, okay? You have to only steal from the house next door. You cannot just like keep running down the street, okay? So I am a 3 and I need to steal 10 from next door. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna take away a 10. So if I take 1 away from 9, what's left? 8. So I'm gonna write my 8 up here. And then I'm gonna bring that 10 back. And I like to just write it in front of the 3 to show I now have 13. Oh, ha, ha. I stole a 10 from next door so that I could have 13. Now, if I have 13 cupcakes and you want to take 7 away from me, is that possible? Yes, now that is possible. So, this is where extra math subtraction is going to really help you with your speed doing this sort of thing. What is 13 subtract 7? Robber, creepy Charlie? Yeah, awesome, it's 6. Okay, now I can continue. Now remember, this number's not a 9 anymore. Now it's an 8 because I took something away from it to use over here. So now what is 8 subtract 2? Aloe, creepy robber. Very good. So my answer to this question is 66. Let's do another one, okay? Because this is just something you need to get your mind wrapped around. Oh wow, I did 27 on the bottom both times. Let's change that. That seems silly. 29, all right. So we're gonna start in the ones column. I have 4 elephants and you want to take 9 away from me. Is that possible? Impossible! Good, I'm glad that you all yelled that. Don't yell it too loud. You have family in the house who are doing other things. They don't need to hear you yelling impossible. So just like, impossible. That's good. What is 4 subtract 9? We don't know. Doesn't work. So now we need to go robbing next door. We got our sunglasses, our hoodies. Oh, we're so ready. So we're gonna go next door, take away 1 from that 5. If I take 1 away from 5, what's left? There's 4 left, so I'm gonna put that 4 there. I mean, I'm not the meanest robber in the world. I only take like 1 away, okay? That's pretty nice. And then I write a 1 in front of the number, okay? Because I took a 10 from here and I stuck it over here, just like when we were drawing the base 10 blocks. Now 14 subtract 9, that we can do. What is 14 subtract 9? Jaden. Great, it's 5. All right, now we move on over. It's not a 5 anymore, now it's a 4. What is 4 subtract 2? Beautiful, 2. My answer is 25. So on your sheet today, you are going to be doing exactly what we were just doing on the board. You're going to be stealing 1 from next door, bringing it back and giving it to the number that needs that extra 1 in front of it, okay? Go slowly, make sure you get every step, okay? And have a lovely weekend. Don't forget to do extra math today. See you later. Hey guys, I've got your sheet today. It does say test at the top. Ignore that. I'm not testing you yet. What you're gonna do today is very simple. You are just going to subtract. We are going to need to regroup or borrow or steal sometimes. You already should have a hoodie and maybe some sunglasses on, so I think you're just about ready to do some stealing from next door. But you won't always need to steal. Sometimes you will have enough, okay? So you're gonna do these questions, pretty simple. There's 2 at the bottom here that are not in a tower. That makes it extra tricky. So if you would like, you can put these questions in a tower, one on top of the other with the bigger number on top always, and then you can do the subtraction that way. The last question here, how can you use addition to help you find a difference? You don't have to do this question. We've sort of talked about how addition can be used, so you don't need to worry about number 28 today. So ignore this one, do all the other ones, and then enjoy your weekend. See you later, guys.